Dermalogica. And this is a super rich repair. Now, for ages, I've been using quite a light moisturiser. I think we all have, because we've been layering. And while I was unwell, I'm drinking water with honey and lemon and ginger all the time to try and keep hydrated, but I'm blowing my nose all the time. I'm in central heating. My skin was looking really a bit dry.
You need a bit of that comfort sometimes, don't you?
You really do. And what I love about this, it's got shea butter, it's got oil of evening primrose, and it is heavy. And, you know, just be aware.
So you don't need much.
Sorry, that's probably far too much. You don't need a lot. It does sink in nicely, but it creates a barrier on your skin, so it's protecting against. It's gorgeous, lovely smell, very light.
It's got lavender in
not very fragranced. I didn't notice lavender in the ingredients, but it may be. And what I'd be doing, I would actually put it into my hands, press it into your hands, warm it up a bit, and then press it into your face. Don't try rubbing it in, just literally press it in. Now, what was interesting, I put plenty of this, there's the box if you want to have a look at the box. I put plenty of this around my nose a couple of times a day, and it didn't peel. So I had no peeling whatsoever. But this is a bit like putting a blanket on.
Yeah, it is.
Really comforting. You pop it on your skin just feels protected. It's got that layer. And I'm so thrilled to bits with this. I think it's a really, really great product. This is actually 50 ml.
It's got some great essentials in. Sandalwood, rosewood, eucalyptus.
Yep.
Quite comfort feeling again.
It is. It's that really comforting, just protecting cream. Love the pump. Love the fact you don't have to stick your fingers into it.
So really, like you say, cosseting for the skin.
Really good. And the
oatmeal,
oils,
soothing.
Yep.
Nice.
Soothing, calming. Really does protect.
Now, would you be able to use this during the day? You think with makeup or not?
I wouldn't.
No, so more like of a night, or if you're not wearing any makeup, Do you know it'd be nice as well for you when you go skiing and that, you know, to keep that cold.
It's just to really protect your skin, give you a barrier. It hasn't got any SPF, so you would need to use an SPF. And I don't think I'd want to use this all year round or anything like that, but during the winter, to really give your skin a boost. And also, if you come in, certainly over Christmas I wasn't out working all the time, so I didn't have makeup on. This was perfect to have on during the day. But it was so nourishing, and I can't say enough good things.
Do you know what's interesting though? Because it's in that airtight container, you could use it as and when you need it. You know, like that little first stage cream.
I don't think it's going to particularly go off or anything. It's not cheap. $62.85, but there are a number of places that have actually got it cheaper, so we'll look for the cheapest price for you and put a link to that. But super rich repair from Dermalogica, and I just think for winter skin, look how gorgeous the skin looks afterwards. Really great product.